Meaning of destructively.
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 Destructively. The term destructively refers to an action that causes damage, harm, or destruction. When something is done destructively, it often results in negative consequences and irreversible changes. The word is commonly used to describe behaviors or actions that have adverse effects on people, things, or environments. For instance, a forest fire can be considered a destructive force, leaving behind burnt trees, disrupted ecosystems, and damaged soil. Similarly, destructive behavior in a workplace can lead to decreased productivity, strained relationships, and high turnover rates. Overall, anything that is done destructively has the potential to cause significant harm and lasting damage.